Awa neru wagbona. When ije dan, nege bioma. Ije no ma value omu. Nege bioma. Akan mama we put pikin for belle for good 9 to 10 months. You born and finish, you don't raise the pikin. You don't know the value of your pikin when you born. Iye Sharon. Mama Sharon. Ebena amo Sharon yoto. Ekune una kwesto we. Ima oni we una kwesto una pa una aliye kene hana mo Sharon yoto. No try am. Make sure say you open your store. That day, buy drink, fill your fridge. In case if they don't bury Sharon finish, then you will carry them come your bar. You will go, they will drink. Then you take celebrate. Because carelessness, now you take by this girl. Carelessness. You put everybody, when we have to move your ballot. Sharon was a very good girl. When every year move your ballot, Sharon. My people, you will comment for here, tell me, say, why you they talk like this? You're not supposed to talk like this to somebody. Because they be ya ballot me, ya me with this second way. Ina me way, is second way. So as they ba try away, what to bring up bishi on a video now, try go at all. Because this one quiet, the other one quiet. Nobody they talk. Everybody don't hear the truth. My people, I want to tell you a story. What thing happen? How Sharon me take back? May I explain it to you now. Let's go to the first pregnancy, her first daughter, when she fell born. When Sharon born her first daughter, my people, it let you know say Sharon mama house with Sharon house when she buy for abroad. Just 15 minutes. Maybe 20, if it took much, maybe 20 minutes for bus. As Sharon born, this woman not take care of her daughter. Or mama, when mama they say, mama can do omugo. This one not be say, she not get mama for abroad. Say her mama de Nigeria. Her mama dey close to her. Where she dey live, my people. This woman not close by one day. Make she go sit down with her pikin. Make she go take care of her way. Or you let that be any care for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. You know they will. Una know who take care of Sharon when she born. Her friend. Easy no yokba wo imane. Or yeva wo imane. Even no ya God nobody bless you for easy. When be good friend. Easy her mama. Patient easy your mom her mama. Now take care of Sharon when Sharon born her first daughter. Your mama did every day na her bar. Not be said that they quarrel. Now hear me so. After, because Easy no need to tell me, say, Sharon did my house. If I call Easy for phone like this, would they talk? After I don't congratulate Sharon. If I call her, would they talk? Sharon did there. I can't imagine, say, I can't even call some of my friends inside, say, what thing happen? Sharon, not there where her mama did. Your mama did there. Why Sharon go there where Easy did? When you're newborn. I talk on small arrest. That one pass. When I go visit Easy that day. Sharon did there. Because she get belly. Her pregnancy was 6 months. I'm not sure for camera, for video when I do. Then, our daughter, mono baby, no know as children they be. I go wrong, go here, go wrong, go there. With her pregnancy. I know see, we will come out, we'll go Mama Sharon back. Because she get restaurants inside. We'll go eat fish, eat yam, we'll eat. I don't see where that small girl, Sharon's daughter, Mimi, I don't see where she go meet her grandmama, go sit down, me her grandmama carry her. Now so she dey use body to dey rub her pregnant mama. Now so she dey use body to rub her pregnant mama, she dey disturb the mama. Then come to after a few days for radio when I go. Party come day where they want go. All of us can go the party. As we dey go, Mama Sharon ready like Selembe. Sharon with pregnancy, all of us with her friends, 3 of us, they go the party. So now Sharon now carry her pikin. Now so they carry pikin. The pikin not follow me. Now Easy can carry the pikin. In mama, grandmama, no they carry pikin. She know they carry. After anywhere Sharon they go, the pikin go follow her. If mama no be say now say the bar when she get now say too dey busy. No. People they go down. I know as abroad, Africa bar be for abroad. People know they pack too much. No, like that. So you know can't get chance the way Nigeria bar they be. Okay, say because say she too dey busy, she not get time to take care of her grandchild, her granddaughter, my people. Let's come to where Sharon for born. Una when they call say na so Sharon born, now when she want born, now she take enter coma, now this one she not from hospital go house. Why you got tell me na who am I say wetin I no reach me, I know they talking. Sharon born successfully. The daughter una know for abroad. As she born, they go examine her. If she dey okay, then they will allow her go house. If she not dey okay, the daughter not go leave her make she go house. Sharon was okay, healthy. Now they did discharge her, she can't go house. My people, as Sharon reach house, she don't see who take care of her. Sharon, mommy, I no bow here. Mommy, Mommy, who will not get mama? They cry our mama. Who get mama? Who get mama? No love. Mama no love her. Yeah, mama no love her. Mama no love her. Who get mama? Who will not get? They cry our mama. Mama Sharon, you too do. You too do. I wish you take care of Sharon. Sharon for no pay. They discharge Sharon. She was okay. She don't think they do Sharon. Easy go take care of Sharon for 3-4 days because Easy already buy ticket. She want travel. And she want travel now. She has to go to where she want go. I wish that she knows say Sharon will go buy. Easy for no travel. The easy travel finish. Only Sharon. I know as children they be. Mimi go wrong, go here. You go wrong, go here. You go wrong, go here. You can't go here. Mama go say all those shouts for the small girl. Stay here, stay there. Only she go bath the senior one. Bath the baby. Do this one. Come do laundry. Come cook. Come do this one. Come cook. Come do this one. The next thing. Edic start to the warrior. As Edic the warrior Sharon. And they then they rush. Sharon. Not shout. Then she can't go hospital. As she reach hospital. The next thing. They never even attend to her. Then she take collapse. She take a coma. And Sharon take by. I say, Sharon. C'est so you take get belay. It can be when I don't have it. Then it can be when I am mossy. The pregnancy fit Sharon. You see, and when she get belay. It can be when I don't have warua. Always I made the wicked be now. What the back be man like you? Now what be any hour with diet and see it. Oh, was you know where you couldn't see any more mossy. I don't know say. Now the last time when I want to see Sharon be that. Sharon, you do also. Make sure say you no cry. You know lock your shop. The more Sharon, no try her. Yes, Sharon, head that way. Why arrest or why here? Mono suppose no I. Mono suppose no I yo, yes, Sharon. Mono suppose no I yo. Mono suppose. Mono ya kibie. O se no murio wa Sharon eh. O se ne Sharon murio wa. Yes, Sharon, carelessness, Sharon ya carelessness. My people, Ade, Adoye Sharon Ade, Sange Vela Herere, Sange Vela Herere, Sharon Yahu, Mammy no cocker, Mammy no bauge. It is where, when I let you know, see, when she still dey coma, this her mama so. They go her bar, go they sit down for bar. Her mama they bar, her pikin they come out from hospital. If she read there, look, you will see come out, you go open store. My people. Now the small pikin baby, now she carry. The Mimi come there with easy. She not even carry the two of them. Now when Sharon don't buy, who want to take care of the children? This her mama. And this her mama will take care of the children. Mama will not take care of the one way when she push come out. I want to take care of the two children. I want to take care of the 2 children. I want to take care of the 2 children. So painful. The one way not value, the one way be say she push comments. That one value, the one way be say, the one way I picking push comments. They took away Sharon. Okay, I want be Sharon awa. Sharon le wu. No matter boy, ya we ati kwa. No matter te kwa ya we ati. Omi no gba oga e wo bi e. Sharon. Ah, my name is Maya Solo. When I get mama, they cry my mama. I remember when I bought my pikin. The love when my mama showed me. When I bought my pikin, the love when my mother showed me, my Lord, the love. I get the belly like this. And the papa abandoned me. But my mother stood by me. Mama don't let me. As I don't born the pikin for months, Mama say carry give me. He even let me nurse the pikin for how many months. As I dey nurse the pikin, I dey leave one for there anyhow. I dey waka by waka. As he don't reach one, your mama say, give me. Find your way. Go live your life. The papa no dey with papa. You can live your life. Mama no let me suffer. No let me know say, man where I born for. No dey there. My mother was there for me. Why so mama don't know the words of their pikin? Pikin when you carry for your own belly. God do this thing. God pikin say, this pregnancy childbearing, if you don't born, so that you go, as you suffer for that pregnancy, when you born that pikin, you will know the value of that pikin. I God create that like that. And they God put that so much obaloni. Like be a value of money no be. Also for nobody be pay on the your video. But one is just so. Why opono oja no wa han money wa don't push every labor laws. Why you value of money no wa be? Awa. Why value of money no wa be? La. Why you value No